So, this is the ProMiner. I'm just gonna be showing you real quick how you can find the hashtag. So you go to Discord and you just log in, and it might take a couple seconds. And what you do when you're here is you just look down here. You look right here under your name, and if your name isn't there, then go wherever your settings are. Your user settings, it should be right here. And so that'd be cool. Just go to my account, and your username should be right here with the hashtag number 177. And when you go to add me, click friends, add friend, and only put the hashtag. So only do like hashtag 1777 and then send friend request. So yep, that's how you do that, and talk to you soon, hopefully.